Hi, today on the workbench, we're going to take a look at Tamiya's brand new 148 scale Lockheed P38 FG Lightning Kit. It's a great looking model. Let's pop it open, and I can't wait to see what's inside. Tamiya's beautifully illustrated box contains 7-part sprues, a sprue of clear parts, a set of ball bearing counterweights, an extensive decal sheet, a pre-marked masking sheet, 2 color profiles, and instructions. Let's take a closer look at each. Part sprue A holds the large single piece that comprises the top wing and center fuselage section. On sprue B, we have the bottom halves of the wing, horizontal stabilizer, propellers, nose access panels, and some cockpit detail. Sprue C contains the large main wing spar, which will make assembly much easier. This sprue also contains the interior gear door sections, the 2 nose wheel option components, and various internal parts. Sprues D and E are identical and contain the drop tanks, radiator intakes, prop spinners, landing gear door panels, and other detail parts. Sprue F holds the twin tail booms, leading edge sections, wingtips, ailerons, nose, and landing gear. The last sprue of plastic parts, sprue G, contains the cockpit, bottom half of the fuselage, and a beautifully rendered pilot figure. The clear parts on sprue H are crystal clear and provide 2 options that can be modeled opened or closed. Gun sights and wing light lenses are also included. A set of poly caps for the propellers, as well as a small bag of ball bearings, are included in the kit to weigh down the nose of the P38. The P38's decal sheet includes 2 marking options that match the full color profiles included in the kit. Finally, this kit's rounded out with a set of pre-marked masks and instructions. Tamiya has done a fantastic job replicating this iconic American World War II fighter in 148 scale. This kit is highly recommended.